Hey everybody, you gotta know where I'm at by now. Down on the concrete. Absolutely gorgeous out today. You can see that tree behind me, that's my wind flag. There's not a lick of air moving. Absolutely dead calm. Got some more towing with the PRC today. Isn't that a heck of a looking round? Last week I was shooting a 130 and at sane pressures, it was shooting about 1.5 inches or so, about like that, horizontally. As soon as I got the pressure up, the velocities on the chronograph, man, they really came down tight. Very, very small spread. Bolt lift. I got some more playing to do with that, but I think that 130 will shoot. These are 140 grain, the ELD-M. And I'm just gonna, same thing I shot the X with, the 25.5 grains, the Reloader 25. I got a camera down on the target. I got a chronograph right here in front of me. I don't have a camera on that though. We're gonna see what they group like. This is a clean, cold barrel. I don't have a fouling shot. We're just gonna run them. Oh boy, we need some magnification. Got to turn them down low to set up the chrony. 14 power Miopta, which is plenty for a hunting rifle. About 11 o'clock, but it's on touching. 29-27. That don't sound very good. But tis what it is. I can't remember what the other ones ran. Wow. About 3/4 of an inch left. But that could be clean barrel. 29.82. Wow, it's two in about the same hole. I like. That is 3006. I'm gonna try to get 5 of them here without waiting for it to cool. That's all the ammo I got for this gun today. So all I want to know is this thing gonna shoot. And the velocity. Well, that's halfway between them at 29.90. Well, I think that went into the hole with number 2 and 3 round at 29.89. Well, they're not too far spread except for that first one at 29.27. I'm gonna go grab that and let's take a look at it. All right, there's my spread. My velocities, 29.27 on the low, 3006 on the high. That's pretty good, 80 foot per second spread. That's more than enough, but the 5-shot average, 2,978. 29.80, that's pretty good. I'm not worried about that. I had the camera not set up good down there for you. I think I got these 2 shots in the picture. I did not get the 3-shot cluster, but overall, this is shot number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Talking about 1.25 inches overall, but the 4-shot out of the dirty barrel, or a foul barrel, I'm going to call it, 7/8 of an inch with 3 of them in 3/8 of an inch. I'm sure if a little tweaking with that round will end up with them 3. Just play with the overall length and change powder charge a little bit. You know what I'm talking about. It's called basic reloading. But I'm pretty happy with that. That gives me another bullet that I can hopefully come by if we don't know how long this shortage on ammo, powder, primers, everything. I'm sure the election comes around, it'll all come to a screeching halt, but it gives me another option. Get a load out of that. Way home, I made a side trip over and stopped in and seen the boys at Precision Reloading. They just got a shipment in. Just got them off the truck. No worries for me for the rest of the year. We're going elk hunting.